So Kate, like many people, struggles with really curly, frizzy, dry, damaged looking hair because naturally curly hair is a little bit drier than most. It lacks that shine, it lacks the moisture. Today we're going to walk through a regimen for Kate that's going to give her fantastic, frizz-free, shiny, bouncy curls. So with Kate's lazy curl, she sometimes struggles with the fact that she can't get the curl to behave like she would like it to. With the curl enhancing shampoo, it's going to help her to moisturize those curls, it's going to help to fight the frizz, and it's going to help to give her the shine enhancement that we're all looking for. So one thing you want to remember when you're working with curly hair, we don't want to stretch them out while we're shampooing. So when we use our curl enhancing shampoo, we really want to focus on the scalp. We want to be a little more gentle with those ends, and we want to get that good scrub at the scalp to remove any buildup that she's fighting with. One of Kate's complaints is that her hair is frizzy, but also gets weighed down by too much conditioning. We want to detangle, fight the frizz, but also have a weightless feel to her hair once we're done. So with a wide tooth comb and your curl enhancing conditioner, you're going to go ahead and start from the ends and work your way up, moving all of those little tangles out of the hair. You need to enhance those curls. So if you take and you scrunch that conditioner into the hair, it's going to encourage those curls to go ahead and start forming. The texture of the hair already tends to be more frizzy and out of control. The microfiber towel is what's going to be the best option for you. What you want to do is just come through and scrunch that curl and remove the moisture. This is going to be a lot more gentle. It's not going to rip and pull and tug at your natural curls. So after scrunching the water out of your hair with your microfiber towel, you're going to want to use the Perfect Curl Activator. Perfect Curl Activator is going to help fight the frizz. It's going to help add that moisture, the shine, and manageability without adding weight. So when we're looking at wet curly hair, with our defining solution, the defining solution is going to go in, it's going to be very lightweight, it's not going to dry with that crispy crunch. 1 to 2 pumps, and we're going to start again applying in sections. When you have loose curls, it's okay to go ahead and twist those and get that curl to start forming little curl families. So today we've chosen to go ahead and diffuse Kate's hair. The important thing about curly hair and diffusing is that you use a very low speed with low heat. We're going to lift the curl into our hand, and we're just going to zigzag our way all the way up to the scalp. If you don't get it all the way up to the scalp, the hair's going to hang long and heavy. Gloss is one of my favorite products for our curly girls. Gloss is going to help to fight the frizz that you might get. It's very lightweight, so it won't weigh down my curly girl here. You don't really need to move the hair around too much, but you can see as the gloss hits that curl, you really get that nice light reflection.